Melamine is an alternative form of tableware that brings with it many benefits over traditional materials such as porcelain and ceramic. Here are 5 reasons why melamine is the best choice for your kitchen. Melamine is durable. Dropping a plate is one of life's many problems, especially when it is a fairly foregone conclusion that it will smash when it hits the ground. The cleanup process can also be a nightmare, especially when it smashes into thousands of pieces. Melamine is much stronger than traditional materials, and even when it is dropped from a height, it's difficult to damage, let alone break. This means that melamine is not only safer, but easier on the wallet too. Melamine is hard wearing. Over time, tableware goes through a lot. Traditional materials such as ceramics will be covered in scratches, scrapes, and chips after just a few years of use, and a lot of the time this means that they will have to be replaced, especially in heavy use environments such as restaurants. Being such a costly endeavour, this is all the more reason to choose melamine and its scratch and chip resistant properties, looking good as new for much longer. Wallets rejoice. Melamine is lightweight. There will be situations where you need to carry more than one plate or bowl, and very quickly the weight can add up. Melamine is a lightweight material, and noticeably so when compared to something like porcelain. This means that for places that regularly require the carrying of multiple plates, such as pubs, restaurants, and outdoor bars, melamine makes the job much easier and again, safer. Melamine is definitely the choice for waiters and waitresses. Melamine is heat resistant. There are also situations where very hot food will have to be placed onto your tableware. While the heat can be rather quickly transferred into plates and bowls made from traditional materials, melamine is heat resistant, meaning that it will remain cool even when the hottest of foods are ladled on top. While melamine is not microwave safe, it remains a safer and more convenient alternative, especially to service staff and younger diners. Melamine is uncompromising. With all of these distinct advantages over traditional tableware materials, it may be easy to think that melamine must have some sort of drawback in the design. However, it makes no compromises in style, having the look and feel of ceramics with a range of unique designs and vibrant colours to fit your style. If you wish to explore melamine tableware further, head to cooksmill.co.uk to view the full product range. Don't forget to subscribe for more content from Cooksmill.